Eastern Daylight Time. At 1:52 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, severe thunderstorms were located along a line extending from near Oriskany to near Roanoke to near Copper Hill, moving east at 15 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Roanoke, Salem, Vinton, Bedford, Buck Canyon, Troutdale, Boone's Mill, Interstate 81 mile markers 140 to 160. This includes the following locations: the Salem Fairgrounds, the National D-Day Memorial, and Roanoke Regional Airport.